Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to cut out parts of a video in Capcut. So the first thing you do is you choose a video you want to cut out. After opening Capcut, type of new project, you pick the video you want. Then the next thing you do is, I'm going to cut out some parts I don't need. So let's say I don't need this part. Tap on split. Tap on split again. This is the part I don't need. I tap on delete for the part I don't need. So now when I play the video, it's different. That's it. Now, first I don't want this to play. Tap on it. Now, delete it. The video starts. As simple as that. That is how to cut out parts of video. And the reason this video keeps coming together every time I call it out is that this is the main video with an overlay. If I'm using overlay, after cutting out parts, you have to bring the video parts together. Okay, let me show you what I mean by that. So if I tap on this now, and at the bottom here, scroll down to see overlay, which is this one. Tap on overlay. So as you can see, those parts I cut are now separated. So you have to have a clip up here before you can do the overlay on it.